missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love. And the good times that we had, I'll be missing you, love.
Roll these,
I'll be
man, roll
missing
these.
you and your love, your love, your love. When I think of you,
four now, governor,
and the two of
two or
us
three.
together felt so
Easy,
good
me.
for
I
so
almost.
long.
Give me goosebumps. Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll film me that.
Yeah.
I like.
Yeah.
Of it, Jojo.
True.
Oh, yeah, give me the feeling that.
Meow.
Which one you like?
Wait, no. Big dog. Give me big dog.
Bigger dog.
No, that's okay. So what's going on? Let's go have some fun. Yeah.
Baby. Yeah, Musa.
Oh.
You really want to sit down?
Yeah.
I feel safe already, sir.
I'm ready.
For you. Hold on. I'm back up. But I will drink out my dragon. What my dragon them there?
What?
We have some dragon there.
You're asking me, do I drink dragon?
But me.
It shouldn't even matter. Let's
I can't
go.
work without my dragon, B.
What?
Spitfire.
Skinny.
That's a big dog, B. Me can't work without. Watch it.
You know what? It doesn't even matter. It doesn't. It don't matter.
Yeah,
Let's
sure.
go. We'll make it work. Babe, we'll make it work, brother.
But it not stand up.
Baby, we'll make it work.
Let me see if it stand up.
Yeah. We'll make it work.
Come, go that chest.
Let's go.
Yo, balance. Yo. Wagwan. Yo, everything good, man. I do everything, man. Cause I call the bank and talk to my lawyer and them say, oh, everything gone through. The place sell and sit me, I just 3 more days more you give me.
3 more days.
Yo.
3 more days. What how much months me I give me to get 3 more days again for that?
Yo, there's
What kind of
3.
style that, brother? Yo, what kind of style that?
Yo, the place sell already, you know, man. I just the paperwork to come through and them say, in a 3 day time, we forward. So, man, you just give me 3 more days, man, to do everything, man.
Yo, brother, this man, yo, so long me a give you. So long me a give you. Brother, don't pay bossy money, brother. You see me? Brother, you know me have to pick on that. Help banks in a big bossy, yo. Make the man them, brother, how do you, brother? 3 more days in the night.
Yo, Bamas, no, me nah lose off of you, know. Me know, say I don't lose off of you. Know yourself, man. Me start out in the tree.
Alright, 3 more days, me a give you, brother. Yo, see if I get the thing by cheap. Me a see you, brother, but when you see you, brother, you know, let that.
Me I do everything, man, for true.
Alright, in 3 days, me a give you, brother. You know that go up already, you know, after 3 days, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Someone every minute in this a call me phone. I take up people business pan here. Yo, I don't like him man style, you know, man. Yo, I know what to do, man. Know yourself. Most get rid of you. Relax.
True.
Yeah.
Action. Wait, a cube or crush?
Crush ice.
Oh, happy day. Mm-hmm. All of a sudden you start drink ice.
Here is that drink
You know,
ice.
we fi name him Icy. Icy, we fi name him for Or Zachariah.
What's that ugly name?
Zachariah love ice, you know. For Joe. My look at Juna.
Yeah. You feel that?
Skinny Juna.
You feel that, babe?
Yeah.
It's already kick.
Yeah, for Joe. Yeah, I greatest experience in a man for Joe, you know.
Become being a father, right?
Yeah.
Feels so good knowing that I have a life inside of me.
Yeah. One greatest wish. Come true for Joe.
Mr. Boy.
My face I drag and Spitfire them I drink up for Joe. Cause
Yeah,
you can-
definitely, because you know you don't have much use.
What a foolishness that, man.
But
What
this-
kind of style that, man? I mean, I use. And when I drive the engine so for Joe. And I deal with it like a real pit bull so for Joe. Remember good no, man?
Man, you're scared, baby.
Nah, man, June are powerful than me, man. Yeah, man. That's why.
Right, much more powerful than you.
Yeah, man. I mean, man. Anticipating me, I tell her. Anticipating, man, I tell her.
Oh my God, I'm gonna spoil this baby with the world.
Tell her, man. Why? I know a boy in a car clip coming up. I say, man, just
So what-
bossy with him talent, so.
Boy.
And I take this advantage, I think.
What's going on, my beautiful my beautiful daughter-in-law.
Yeah, because you only have grandbaby on your mind, but it's okay.
Hey, Pop's excited for Joe, you know. I tell her.
Choo, when is the due date, by the way?
It's very soon, Pops. Right? I'm gonna surprise you.
You're gonna surprise me. I can't wait to see that boy.
Hope he don't have skin in his face.
How you want him to look like?
Me?
You know, say start kick as me touch as well. I feel it?
Me let me feel. Yeah.
Yeah, man, choo. Look like he love me already.
Love his granddad because he knows you're gonna spoil him with all that money.
Skinny Juna.
I mean, I
Yeah.
have to spoil that grandson. But you know, for choo, I'm not gonna
eyes.
spoil him.
Yeah?
I'm gonna just take the best care of him because you know anything we spoil no good. And me no want no grand pitney when no good, no true.
That for
For
Joe,
Joe,
Pops.
Joe.
That's so for Joe.
Yeah, man.
Joe. We don't want no grand pitney we spoil. For
Eh,
Joe. We
for
just
Joe,
take
Joe.
good care of.
Take the best care of him.
Yeah, listen,
My
man.
son is gonna be spoiled, Dad. Like, you guys can say whatever you want.
Cookie,
My baby is gonna be
Okay.
spoiled.
you ever eat spoiled meat yet?
I'm pregnant for crying out loud. No.
Get some
So
ice.
you
Where's
want
the
a
charcoal?
spoiled boy. Or you want a spoiled pitney?
It's
You know,
totally
if you don't
different.
know when a spoil, and you
That
don't
is
tell nobody
totally
today
different.
why you spoil.
Totally different.
If you tell a man say you want him spoiled, that means that you don't want to be good.
But skin spoil me, eh, babe?
Skinny. You spoil her skinny. Skinny. You really spoil her.
Pops, the only thing my focus upon right now enough is my youth, you know. That's all my focus upon.
Me no tell
And my honey bunny. So for sure.
me no tell you say anything we spoil
man,
no
sir.
good.
Yeah,
Eh?
man, sir.
You not wrong, you know boy. To blast.
Give me the ice.
Me no tell you say anything we spoil no good.
Them done already.
Eh?
I thought about Pops.
Me no tell you say anything we spoil no good.
But Pops, on a different note still, you know, all me want to do, I make sure. Pops,
But
In the face.
where's Taj?
What?
The gardener. Where's the boy who cut the lawn?
Good man, me tell him say make him 2 days off.
2 days off.
Yeah.
Why?
2 days off, I don't want him run all the time. You see, yard clean up and thing, man. I don't want him run all the time.
Well, that's true.
Time for us. So, where I ask about gardener?
Because I realized that the side of the yard needs to be clean. Alright?
Me deal with it, man.
You can do it?
Really, man.
I didn't want to stress you out, babe.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
I
Dad.
want the 3rd glass of ice, me see. You know, the first baby mother, me see too much ice. You make the picnic.
How many baby mothers you have? 1, right? 1, okay.
But I have a whole heap of sister though.
Dad, to each his own. Your grandbaby want ice and I gave him ice.
Cookie, you know, he's about 3 glasses of ice, me see you just eat. You know, your first baby mother, me see too much ice.
Dad, to each his own. How many baby mothers you have? 1.
But I have a whole heap of sister.
Well, your grandson want ice and I gave him ice.
Cookie, me no want you make me picnic brain cramp, you know. Me no want you make me grand picnic brain cramp.
No, Dad,
Watch
you're picnic. No.
Watch your yard.
True. But after me name, I'm going to have anywhere. After me name, I'm going to have. So, you is my son.
So you're talking about your name. But you're not easy.
Skinny.
My name, but you're not.
So, who for last name you have?
Oh,
Cho. Yeah?
Blast. You're not easy, no, Pops. I change me name.
They
My
change
name
the
Skinny
name.
Water Bombshell.
And that you going to give it the name?
Yeah, Skinny Water Bombshell, Juna. For Cho.
I think they will give him a artist name since his grandfather is a
Zachariah.
Zachariah.
Zaki.
Which artist?
Zachariah with the big dumpling.
No, with the dumpling for Cho. With the gold teeth.
With the gold teeth.
Yeah, for Cho.
If you favor Zachariah to you, so you have to be careful what you name him.
My Juna.
Not your cookie.
Don't, Dad.
Come like all our black hole they have in this side. Come like they just walk around and breathe up in nice sitting watch it. 1 day so, 2 days so, 3 days so, 4
Man,
days.
him say Skinny.
Yeah, where they go? Oh, yeah, you're late, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We just have come and work.
You know, sir, I just because I don't have to do some deeds and things.
Oh, but me need to tell us a 2 day I forget, man. You shouldn't come and work today. A 2 day, me tell us if you take. Yeah.
To them, me need that to pay attention, sir.
So we don't have that day.
Yeah, man, me don't there do some farming, you know.
True.
Yeah.
Right thing, man.
Yeah, man.
Cause I don't know. Yeah, so you have to try your things still. Have to take time and do your local thing. You can't live like me still, you know. I'm born in a luxury.
Okay.
Yeah, born in a luxury.
Me have to work towards it. You know, so me have some responsibilities that come up, so me have to make sure so me do some local farming and things.
True.
But that's why I kind of really delay too, because...
Hold on, but anyway still. You no youth? No youth. No them way them, man.
I say it go.
Me excited for me and my wife. Yeah, you don't know.
True.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, for sure. She nice, not true?
Yeah, man, she nice for
Nice,
you,
yeah,
man. She
prayer.
nice.
Eh?
She nice for you, she nice for you.
So she not nice here?
No, sir, she can't nice to me, sir.
Oh, say.
No, when
so
me say she
look
can't
good.
nice to me, no, she nice.
So I tell me so my baby mother not look good.
No, she nice, you know, sir, but she nice to you, sir.
That's why you're
Sorry,
not.
Skinny, sir.
That's why you're not no youth yet, man.
No, sir, Skinny, man.
That's why you're
No,
not
everything
no
looks
youth
so,
yet,
man.
man. Cause
But me respect you as my boss, you know, sir.
Yeah.
So she nice for
so
you.
you never look upon her yet and say, oh, she look
No,
nice.
me
and
never
say-
look upon her, sir, as I got up above. Me never look upon her
That's why
yet.
you're not no youth yet. You're not no youth, not true? Yeah, man, just go and hold it on the girl link truck, man. That's why you're not no youth, man.
That's how you go.
Look for a woman and say, man, nice and run. That's how my man clean, for true.
Me say she clean, you know, sir, but me no see. Say she, me no see, say she. You understand? Me see, but me no see.
So I just step on God long and not breathe nothing.
No, sir, me I go breathe. Me I go breathe, sir, one woman. Me I breathe one woman.
Go and hold it out on the girl link truck still. But anyway, still, me dey tell you, say, 2 days still, like I done there, me not pay in full still. Me I just pay half, so you can just do half day, see, pray.
Really, sir?
Yeah, man, for sure, man. And go and hold it on the girl link truck, for sure.
Sorry, so me not get the full
Two
pay.
the half day, you not get paid in full. Half day. Go and hold it out, man. Boy, they on the girl link truck, for sure.
Girl link truck, no? Girl link truck.